Hello students, today in this class we shall discuss about the transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix. What is transpose of a matrix? See the definition. If capital A is equal to Aij, be a matrix of m by n order. Okay, this is a matrix Aij of order m by n. Then the matrix obtained by interchanging the rows and columns of A is called transpose of a matrix. If a matrix is given, then if you interchange its rows into column and column into rows, then that resultant matrix will become a transpose of matrix of the previous matrix. That is the definition. Okay, that is, and the transpose of a matrix is denoted by A dash or A T, like this. A transpose is called as A transpose. Okay. In other words, if A is equal to Aij, it's m by n matrix. Aij is m by n matrix. The transpose of A will be Aji. If this is Aij, then in the transpose it becomes Aji, because you know that if you have an element in matrix A as A12, small a12, it becomes A21 in transpose. It becomes A21. Therefore, Aij becomes Aji in transpose. And if it is order is 2 by 3, then the order of the transpose of the matrix will become 3 by 2. So if it is m by n, then it becomes n by m. Therefore, if A is equal to Aij of order m by n, the transpose of A is equal to Aji of order n by m. For example, let us see an example. A matrix A is equal to 3, 5, root 3, 1, 0, minus 1 by 5. Now take this column as row. The transpose of A is equal to 3, root 3, 0. This becomes row 3, root 3, 0. Second column 5, 1, minus 1 by 5. This becomes second row 5, 1, minus 1 by root 1 by 5. 1 by 5 simply. Okay, so as this is a matrix of order 3 by 2, so this becomes a matrix of order 2 by 3. 2 rows, 3 columns. So in this way, we can find the transpose of the matrix A. Okay, now what are the properties of the transpose of a matrix A? Properties: for any two matrices A and B of suitable order, suppose we have transpose of A and its transpose is equal to B, is equal to A. Okay, transpose of A and its transpose equals to A. We see an example. Second, K into A matrix and its transpose, I can take K as common, so K into, it will be A transpose. Okay, where K is a constant number. Third property is A plus B and its whole transpose gives me A transpose plus B transpose. Separately we can write that A transpose plus B transpose. But in case of multiplication, transpose of the multiplication, see here, A into B and its transpose equals to B transpose into A transpose. Not here A transpose into B transpose, because we know that multiplication of the matrices is not commutative. A transpose into B transpose is not equal to B transpose into A transpose. So you remember this. Sometimes it is asked to verify A and B, two matrices will be given to you, and it will be asked you to verify that A into B and its transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. So you remember this property. A into B and its transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. So this is what about the transpose of the matrix. Okay, now see some examples of this. Take an example. Find the transpose of the matrix. Example 1. Find the transpose. Find the transpose of the matrix. Capital A equals to, you take minus 1, 5, 6 suppose. Minus 1, 5, 6. Then suppose root 3, 5, 6. root 3, 5, 6. And you take the third row as suppose 2, 3 minus 1. 2, 3 minus 1. Find the transpose of this matrix. Matrix A is given. So here A transpose, or I may write next transpose of A equals to. So just you interchange rows into columns and columns into rows. So this is first column minus 1 root 3 2, it becomes row minus 1 root 3 2. Okay, minus 1 root 3 2, it becomes first row. This is your matrix. Minus 1 root 3 2 minus 1 root 3 2, as this is a column, it becomes row here. Second 5 5 3 5 5 3, second row, second column becomes second row, and 6 6 1 6 6 minus 1, third column becomes third row. So this is the transpose of the matrix capital A here. Okay, take second example. If A equals to example 2 A, capital A equals to, you take a matrix minus 1 2 3 minus 1 2 3 5 7 9 5 7 9 suppose. Okay, then minus 2 1 1 minus 2 1 1. This is your matrix A, and you take another matrix and B equals to minus 4 1 minus 4 1 minus 4 is okay. Then 1 2 0 1 2 0, and third row it is 1 3 1 suppose 1 3 1. Okay, this is A and B are two matrices. So then verify that number 1 A plus B and its transpose, A plus B and its transpose equals to A transpose plus B transpose. And second, to A minus B and its transpose equal to A transpose minus B transpose. So this we have to do. Okay, this third one, A plus B and its transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. So this is the example of that property. So let us find out first of all A plus B and its transpose, and we solve this solution. A plus B. First of all, find out A plus B. A plus B, that is minus 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, minus 2, 1, 1. Then plus B is minus 4, 1, minus 5, 1, 2, 0, 1, 3, 1. Okay, so that is equals to, take the addition of this, minus 1 minus 4, that is minus 5, 2 plus 1, that is 3, 3 plus minus 5, that is minus 2, 5 plus 1, that is 6, then 7 plus 2, that is 9, 9 plus 0, that is 9, minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1, minus 1 plus 3, that is 4, 1 plus 3, that is 4, and 1 plus 1, that is 2. Check one more. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 5, 2, 1, 3, 3, minus 2, 5, 6, 7, 9, 9, 0, minus 1 minus, correct, 1, 4, and this is 2. Okay. So this is your A plus B. Therefore, A plus B and its transpose, you take the transpose of that. So it will, you write this row as column minus 5, 3, minus 2, minus 3, minus 5, 3, minus 2, 6, 9, 9, 6, 9, 9, 6, 9, 9, and minus 1, 4, 2. So this is my right hand side. So only the first one. Okay, this first one. So A plus B and transpose is this matrix. So let us find out separately A transpose and B transpose. Now A transpose equals to, right, A transpose minus 1 2 3 minus 1 2 3 minus 1 2 3 5 7 9 5 7 9 minus 2 1 1. This is A transpose. B transpose equal to, this is B transpose. B transpose minus 4 1 minus 5 1 2 0 1 2 0 1 3 1. This is B transpose. Therefore A transpose plus B transpose equals to, take the addition of this, minus 1 5 minus 2 2 7 1 2 7 1 3 9 1 plus B transpose minus 4 1 1 minus 1 2 3 minus 5 0 1. So that is equals to, see, minus 1 plus minus 4 and minus 5. That's correct. If A plus B and transpose, this is left hand side. So minus 5 I am getting there. 5 plus 1, that is 6. Yes, it is correct. Then minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1. This is also correct. Then 2 plus 1, that is 3. 7 plus 2, that is 9. 1 plus 3, that is 4. Then 3 plus minus 5, that is minus 2. 9 plus 0, that is 9. And 1 plus 1, that is 2. So this is A transpose plus B transpose. This value matrix is minus 5 6 minus 1 3 9 4 minus 2 9 2. And A plus B and transpose is also same matrix. Therefore from 1 and 2, this is number 2. This is your A transpose plus B transpose. Since the right hand sides of 1 and 2 are equal, therefore I can write, therefore from 1 and 2, A plus B and transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. It is verified. Okay. Now take second one. For second one also, let's check second one. For second, here B was minus 4 minus 5. I think it was 0. It was 1 here. B. It was B. Minus 5 0 1. Now let us check this solution for number 2. So find out A minus B first of all. A minus B. What is A? Minus 1 2 3. Minus 1 2 3 5 7 9 minus 2 1 1. Then minus B is minus 4 1 minus 5 1 2 0 1 3 1. Okay, so this gives me A minus B. So minus 1 minus of minus of plus, so it becomes 3 plus 3. Then 2 minus 1, it is 1. 3 minus of minus 5, that is 8. 5 minus 1, that is 4. 5 minus 1. 7 minus 2, that is 5. 9 minus 0, that is 9. Minus 2 minus 4, that is minus 3. Minus 3. 1 minus 3 minus 2 1 minus 1, that is 0. So this is your A minus B. Therefore A minus B and transpose equals to, A minus B and transpose equals to, it will be, take the transpose of this, it will be 318 4 5 9 4 5 9 and minus 3 minus 2 0. Okay, this is your A minus B whole transpose. Now let us find out A transpose minus B transpose. So here already I am having A transpose and B transpose here. Okay. Therefore, A transpose minus B transpose equals to A transpose minus B transpose. Let us see whether A minus B whole transpose equal to A transpose minus B transpose or not. So this is minus 1, 5, minus 2, 2, 7, 1, 3, 9, 1. Then minus 4, 1, 1. Minus 4, 1, 1. 1, 2, 3. Then minus 5, 0, 1. Minus 5, 0, 1. So take subtraction of this. Minus 1, minus of minus, it becomes plus 3. Minus 1, plus, it becomes plus 4. So plus 3. 5 minus 4, it is 4. Minus 2, minus 1, minus 3. Okay. Then 2 minus 1, that is 1. 7 minus 2, that is 5. Then 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. 3 minus of minus 5, it becomes 8. It is 8. Then 9 minus 0, that is 9. 1 minus 1, it is 0. This is number 2 and this is number 1. This is your A transpose minus B transpose. Now see, A minus B and B transpose is equal to this matrix, and A transpose minus B transpose is this matrix. Both are same. Therefore, from 1 and 2, therefore from 1 and 2, we can write A minus B and B transpose equal to A transpose minus B transpose. It is verified. Okay. Then next question. Take next question. For the matrices A and B, for the matrices A and B, suppose. Okay. A and B. Verify that AB minus transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. Where A, you take any one matrix. A is suppose 1 minus 4 3, 1 minus 4 3. I am taking column matrix 1 minus 4 3, and take B suppose minus 1 2 1, suppose minus 1 2 1, that is row matrix. I am taking A as column matrix and B as row matrix. Now you check whether A into B and its transpose equals to B transpose into A transpose. So we have to verify this. So first of all, you take the product of this A into B. Solution. A into, first of all, you take A into B. So A into B will be 1 minus 4 3 into minus 1 2 1. This is a matrix of 3 by 1. 3 rows, 1 column. 3 by 1. And this is a matrix of 1 by 3. 3 by 1 and 1 by 3. Okay. So take the product. So first row, first column, 1 into minus 1. This is first row, first column. So it will become 1 into minus 1. First row, second column, 1 into 2. First row, third column, 1 into 1. Second row, first column, minus 4 into minus 1. Second row, second column, minus 4 into 2. Minus 4 into 1. Then third row, first column, 3 into minus 1. Third row, second column, 3 into 2. Third row, first column, 3 into 1. Therefore, A to B equals to, this is minus 1, this is 2, this is 1, this is minus plus 4, minus 4 into minus 1. minus 8, then this is minus 4, then minus 3, 6, this is 3. Okay. Now take A plus A into B and its transpose. Therefore, A into B and its transpose equals to, take row as column, minus 1 to 1, 4 minus 8 minus 4, then minus 3, 6, 3. This is your left hand side value. Okay. Now separately take B transpose and A transpose, then take the products. Similarly, now B transpose equals to B transpose, this is a row, it becomes column, minus 1 to 1, and A transpose equal to, this is column, it becomes row, 1, minus 4 and 3. Now take the product of B transpose into A transpose. Therefore, B transpose into A transpose. B transpose, this is minus 1 to 1, minus 1 to 1. Okay, B transpose. A transpose is 1 minus 4, 3. Okay, therefore B transpose into A transpose equals to, first row first column, minus 1 into 1, first row second column, minus 1 into minus 4, first row second column, minus 1 into 3, second row first column, 2 into 1, then 2 into minus 4, 2 into 3, 3 into 1. Oh, it is 1 into 1. Third row, first row, 1 into 1 into minus 4. Oh, sorry, it is minus 4, 1 into minus 4, 1 into 3, 1 into 3. So this is, see, minus 1, 4, minus 3, this is 2, minus 8, 6, 1, minus 4 and 3. Check. Our A to B and its transpose was minus 1, 4, minus 3, 2, minus 8, 6 and 1, minus 4, 3. This is number 2. So here A into B and its transpose equal to this matrix, and B transpose into A transpose is this matrix. Both are same. Therefore, we can write A into B and its transpose equal to B transpose equal to A transpose. It is verified. Okay, students. Thank you. Others example, you try yours. Thank you.